So now I take tomato paste, regular natural tomato paste, and they have natural on the can. So I will take that after I weigh out all my food. I'm only doing 4 right now. This is the next meals that I'm gonna have today. And I'm gonna have all of the same meals. Okay, they all gonna be the same meals. So I gotta suck it up if I want anything else and eat what the hell I need. So I normally just take a little bit on the back of my spoon. Sometimes I'll weigh it out to a certain gram. Like I said, I'm not gonna tell you the grams. If you wanna know, get a meal plan. Okay. Alright, so then I'll take another scoop. See, I'm not taking that much. Look at it. See that? That's all. That's it. So when I warm it up, it'll melt and I can like move it around. You know what I mean? You don't want to go crazy. You don't want to go crazy with nothing. You know, even though it's good food and you think it's, so healthy and, oh, it's tomato. It shouldn't be that. You still got to be mindful of your, what you're putting on there. All right? I just take a little bit more and I just move it around a little bit. Okay. And then take this. Like that. I put it on the other one. See? I don't get too big out of shape about, oh, I need a lot, I want a lot. Guess what? I eat every 2 hours. Every 2 hours. I eat every 2 hours. I can wait to have more if I wanted more. You gotta change your mind. Gotta change your mind. If you don't change your mind, you definitely ain't gonna change your body. You're not. When you are scaling your food and you are using a bowl, you want to put the bowl on your scale first and then turn it on. Okay? Then you turn it on because you want to make sure that you're not going to weigh the bowl, once it's on there, because then you'll be weighing the bowl plus your food, so you'll be all thrown off. Okay? So then I'm going to go into... put my wheat noodles in there. Yep, and that's about it. Put it in there. Go back. Make sure it goes back to 0. So you turn it off. Right? Then I'll turn it back on. And then it's at 0. Then I'll go in and add more of my wheat noodles. I love these noodles. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I gotta take some out. Gotta take some out. Yep, there you go. Oh, I was right on point. There you go. Yep. Oh, it went back to 0. Good. Yeah. Make sure it's always back to 0, because if not, then you're gonna be off. You'll be off key. Then you'll be putting more into your body than expected. Remember, you want to try to weigh it out to almost the same each time. Okay? It's tedious. That's why they say this is the real workout. You get it? You see all this, what you got to do, and, come on. If you want it bad enough, believe me when I tell you, you're going to make sure that you do it. You ain't even going to look at, you do everything else. You ain't going to say, oh my God. Listen, either you want it or you don't. Fuck a pity party. You want these results? I hate when people be like, oh, I want to get a big butt. Oh, I want a big dog. You sure? Is you sure? Cut your bullshit. You don't even want to take the time out. But guess what? Let your girls call you. Let your girls call. Let your girls call you. Girl, I'm giving a party. Let's go. We're going to turn up. We're going to get lit. First one. You the first one there. First one there. Come on. Come on. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to make my vegetables, because I notice every time I make my vegetables, they seem to get too damn soft, or they get spoiled fast, even though I'm going to have these meals every 2 hours. Okay? I already just had one. So, I'm going to, I would rather make my, I got bag of veggies. So what I'll do is I'll just throw it in the microwave, some vegetables in the microwave each time, because I ain't got time. I like my vegetables for some reason to just be fresh right on deck. So I'm gonna have these 4 meals. If I run into having my last meal and I need to have more meals, I won't wait until I get eating this meal and make another meal. I will see if I'm having this one and I'll look at the time. By the time I'm due for this one, more meals will be made. Okay, so far I already had, it's 11 o'clock. I already have 4 meals. Okay, so if I'll just play it by ear, sight, and see if I need to add more meals. So I'm gonna switch it up later because I got more ground turkey. I may have just ground turkey and veggies because it's gonna get later. So I cannot have any carbs. I don't care if it's yam, and I have a yam already prepped as well. That's already cooked. So you got to be ready. That's my point. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey, you ain't got to like, but I want you to subscribe so that when I make these videos and I go live, you'll be the first to know. All right. I'm ready. I'm going to be doing so much on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love y'all.